In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress in your cPanel using Softaculous. Let's get started. In order to install WordPress here in your cPanel, you have to log into the cPanel and check if you have this option enabled, Softaculous App Installer of this tab, Softaculous App Installer with the different apps you can install on it. I'm going to click the Softaculous App Installer menu and you are going to see this window with all of the apps you can install with Softaculous. I'm going to go to WordPress and I'm going to click the Install button. And you are going to see this Install tab where you can select your installation URL. In my case, it's going to be https without myawesomeshoesstore.com because I have this domain registered here in this hosting. In the directory option, if you hover over the eye icon, you are going to see a legend to help you. So in this case, I'm going to leave it empty to install my site on the root. Here you can select the WordPress version and you are going to see the last version here, so I'm going to leave it as it is now. Now if you scroll down a little bit, you are going to see the site settings. Here you can change the site name. I'm going to add here my professional e-commerce. And here you can add your description. If you want to enable the multi-site or disable the cron, you can check this. I'm going to leave it unchecked. And for the username, I'm going to add my username. This is the username and password you are going to use for accessing WordPress. And here you can add your password. So I'm going to add mine. Make sure that this is strong. And now you can add here your email. Next, you can choose your language. I'm going to leave it in English. And here you can select some default plugins. I'm not going to select any of them. Then you can scroll down to the button and click install. Now you are going to see this and you have to wait until everything is done. Could take a little bit. And when it's finished, you are going to see this. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. And you can access WordPress by clicking the URL here or going to the admin by clicking this URL. And as you can see here, WordPress is installed. This is the default theme and I can access the administration by typing /wp admin. Everything is working just fine. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel and enable the notifications. If you have any question, any comment, leave it on the comment section. I will answer all of them. Now, if you want to know how to create a professional e-commerce website using WooCommerce and Elementor, I will leave you this video here. See you there. Bye.